I may look shocked and distinguished and intelligent, but looks can be deceiving. Just like the ticket price of this ultimate quad bundle at 𝗕𝗂𝗃𝗱𝗍𝗂competitions.com. For only £3.97, you could have this brand new Yamaha Kodiak 450 farm quad, a Wessex topper, a fertiliser spreader, a weed licker. Hello, that's Mechanical Engineering. Yeah, come here, I have an implement here, a weed licker. A weed licker, yeah, right. What's that for? Right, fair enough, it's in the name. No matter, bye. A weed licker. It's fully galvanised. It has a 12-volt pump, a grass licker, and it has a hand lance. We also have this brand new 7x4 Nugent utility trailer. So, at risk of repeating myself, the ultimate quad bundle is only £3.97 over at 𝗕𝗂𝗃𝗱𝗍𝗂competitions.com. A weed licker. A weed licker. Weed licker.